Hey, what's up everybody? Alright, today we're going to learn how to start up Linux in the command line instead of the GUI. Right now I got Linux Mint here loaded up on a virtual machine, and this is where we're going to be doing our example. So what you're going to do is first, you're going to open up the terminal, and you're going to type the following: sudo, spelled right, sudo systemctl set-default multi-user.target. Alright, we're going to push enter. It's going to ask us for our password. Okay, alright, so we're set. Now we have to reboot the machine. Alright, we can see it's booted up into the command line. I'm going to go ahead and log in. Potato, give the password. Okay. Now let's say that I wanted to change it so I could log back into the GUI. It's pretty easy. It's just the same sudo systemctl set a default, but instead of multi-user this time, we're going to do graphical.target. Once again, the password. Okay, and then we're going to reboot one more time. And there you have it. We've booted back into the GUI. Alright guys, I hope this has helped you out. Don't forget to subscribe and like, and I hope to see you next time. Bye.